Hold on to your hats as we dive into the thrilling world of Samsung's Galaxy S series. Just a few months ago, jaws dropped and hearts raced as Samsung took a daring leap, shaking up its playbook for the Galaxy S23 lineup. The unexpected move, ditching the two-chipset strategy in favor of a global Qualcomm reigned for its flagship trio. Yes, you heard it right. The Exynos was temporarily pushed to the shadows. But fear not, change is afoot, and next year promises even more excitement. Whispers from the rumor mill have ignited a fire of anticipation. Brace yourselves for the extraordinary. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to dance exclusively to the electrifying rhythm of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset on the world stage. Oh, that's not all, my friends. The rest of the 2024 lineup won't follow the same beat, but wait for it. For the Ultra model, Samsung might just break all the rules. Hold on to your hats because we're about to embark on a journey that could redefine bestseller status. Let's rewind a bit. The Galaxy S23 Ultra dominated the charts, reigning as Samsung's crown jewel in the first half of 2023. Market wizards at Omdia revealed that it even snatched the title of the world's best-selling Android phone. And here's a juicy tidbit. Insiders suspect that the Snapdragon's exclusive presence contributed to this stardom. But the plot thickens. The base and Plus models did dance to the same Snapdragon tune, yet destiny had different plans for them. The top 10 lists remained tantalizingly out of reach. Seems like fans had a sizzling crush on the Ultra model. But hold on to your seats, my friends, for there's a twist in this saga. Samsung might have painted itself into a dazzlingly high-tech corner with its Snapdragon love affair for the 2023 flagships. Fans across the globe have given their hearts to Snapdragon, and the path back to the classic dual-chip strategy might just be an uphill race. But hark, the prophecy whispers of a cunning strategy for the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus. Behold, the enigmatic Exynos 2400 socks might twirl into some markets while the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 takes the stage in others. But the Ultra, it's a showstopper that'll sweep Snapdragon across every corner of the earth, all for the devoted fans. And now, dear readers, let's peek at the protagonists themselves, the chips. The Exynos 2400 stands tall on paper, flaunting its impressive 10 CPU cores and double the GPU cores of its predecessor, the Exynos 2200. On the other hand, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy boasts 8 dazzling CPU cores, with some running faster than the standard chip. Talk about turbocharged excitement.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never